Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today's tutorial I'm going to talk about creating the components and the services. So the first thing that we are going to look into here, so you can see that A108, so let's bring up A108 over here, and this is the project that I have created, and I'm going to create the component in this directory. So again, the src directory is the directory where we're going to put all the source codes. And let's go to app, and then over here we are going to do what? We are going to create two directories. One is new folder, and then we're going to make it the components, and then another one we are going to make a new directory, and then we're going to call it the services. Okay, now this creating the directory name, components and services, this is just a personal choice. Under the components directory, I'm going to create all the UI related components. So let's say I'm going to have a login page. So that login page can be considered as a component, and that is what I'm going to create under components directory. Now this login page is going to invoke a RESTful API service to the Tomcat or to the Java client or Spring client, and that request I'm going to make into the services. So this is one way of separating or decoupling the logics. So now in order to do that, there are a few other commands to create the components. So let's go to that directory folder. So cd src, and then we are going to move on app, and then components, and then we have to create the component. So in order to create the component, we have to just write like this: ng generate component login. Okay, so again, ng generate component login. So this will create a component. So let's click on okay. Okay, so now let's refresh it. I'm looking for refresh over here, and you can see the component has been created, and this is the login component. Okay, now in this login component, if I expand it further, we can see that there is a login component.css. So all, if it is a project, if it is a component specific CSS, then we're going to put over here. Right now there is nothing in it. Okay, and this is a login component.html. This is the HTML that is going to be showed on the browser. So it says login works, and then login component spec ts and login component ts. So this is the extension ts is for TypeScript, and this is the main code, or this is the main place where we're going to write the code. Okay, so accordingly we need to create services. Okay, so we'll look into that later, but just to wrap it up, that this is how we are going to create the component. And again, this is the command: components ng generate component login. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.